Blockchain in e-commerce. E-commerce is the industry that evolves at a remarkable pace with sales figure of billions every year. The blockchain can empower a commerce dynasty with much more ergonomic features for the consumers. In this video we have portrayed how the blockchain e-commerce sector will work. How would futuristic blockchain e-commerce sector work? Employing blockchain and e-commerce sector enables automated traceability, quality inspection, repayments, P2P transactions in the process flow. Product traceability. Blockchain e-commerce application enables traceability of product traversing from its origin. Traceability enhance the user experience of retailers, manufacturers, consumers in the entire wheel of e-commerce. Automated quality inspection. Manufacturers and e-commerce businesses can set their norms to inspect the quality of products. Ensuring the quality of customers' products expand the user base of e-commerce platform. Scheduled repayments. Repayments, tenure, interest rates, and other options can be directly paid to the e-commerce platform with blockchain smart contract protocols from the consumer. P2P repayments between consumers and e-commerce platforms can avoid transaction charges and higher interest rates. Devoid of scams. Blockchain e-commerce solutions are governed by the community members, authorized professionals, and automated smart contract protocols. Community governance avoids scams and inappropriate product in the e-commerce marketplace. Devoid of fraudulent chargebacks. The commerce sector pays back huge chargebacks to their customer due to damaged products or other misconception. Blockchain-based e-commerce platform avoids fraudulent chargebacks with provenance traceability. Blockchain features such as integrity, transparency, decentralization, P2P transactions, devoid of intermediaries, scams, can enhance the user experience in e-commerce platforms. Let the consumer world consume the quality scam-free products with blockchain e-commerce platform on its legs.